How to send stars on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your device and log into your account. After you have done that, you want to tap on album. Now tap on this icon right here, and from here you will be able to send the stars. Now stars are used to determine the value of your stickers. If you want to send the stars, you should have the duplicate sticker, then only you will find the option to send the stars to your friends. So if you're able to send a star, then you're going to find the option of send to friend in this way. So you simply have to tap on that option. Once you do that, a list of your friends will appear, and now you want to tap on select for whichever friend you want to send the star to. And once you tap on select, the sticker will be sent, and this is how you can send stars on Monopoly Go. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.